Hi dear beautiful ladies, how are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the good conditions of your health. So dear beautiful ladies, today I am back again with another very stylish and amazing collection of dresses. So in this video you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of summer wears floral midi dresses for ladies. So these midi dresses are basically for plus size women, and these are the best and latest collection of midi dresses today I have collected for you in this video. You will be find out different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, different prints, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of midi dresses for your summer seasons. So must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs of summer season's floral midi dresses. You will be find out A-line style dresses, you will be find out belted style dresses, flare style dresses, different neck designs, different sleeve designing ideas, half sleeve designs, full sleeve designs, sleeveless dress designs, different patchwork styles, ruffle work styles, net fabric styles, lace fabric styles. So if you are looking for latest collection, latest design ideas of floral midi dresses for your summer season, so these are the best and latest collection, latest ideas today I have collected for you dear ladies. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too and you will love these styles, these designs of floral dresses. So must watch video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. Very beautiful designs are coming up next in this video. You will be find out chiffon fabric, you will be find out cotton fabric, silk fabric, amazing styles and amazing designs. I love all these designs of dresses and I hope so that you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of floral midi dresses for ladies, so please do like my video and do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of floral midi dresses for ladies and for plus size women, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my contents, about my channel. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please dear ladies do visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel. So you will be find out maxi style dresses, floral dresses, midi dresses, party wear dresses, mother of the bride dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. You will be find out top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs, crochet made dresses, crochet made ideas, shoes collections, bags collections. So I hope so you will enjoy my videos and you will love those videos, so must visit on my channel and watch other videos. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs from those videos. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support, and thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, and for more designs. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these designs of dresses. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves, and goodbye till the next video. Enjoy the video and watch my video till the end. Goodbye till the next video.